Hello guys, narito tayo ngayon sa bungad naman ng may tunnel. Ayan guys, napansin ko lang guys na napaka-traffic, kaya ako umupo dito sa front ng bus. Ayan guys, napaka-traffic oh. Hopefully ma-meet ko si L Style Channel. I'm on my way going to meet her. Ito guys, napaka-traffic. Marami pa namang lakad. So, ayan, narito tayo ngayon sa bungad naman may tunnel. Parang may ginagawa guys kasi i-implement na itong Hong Kong e-toll. Means lahat ata na ng sasakyan required to have itong auto toll, diba? Yan, para hindi na kailangan mag-stop ang mga bus dito para mag-settle ng tunnel fee. Unfortunately, syempre guys, maraming mawawalan ng trabaho kasi ayan, diba, mawawala na yung counter na mag-receive ng mga payment ng tunnel fee. So ayan guys, ang naging cause ng traffic today. Ayan, cause of traffic, they are currently repairing. Ayan, parang hindi lang yun ang cause ng traffic guys, kasi after nun, ayan, marami pa rin sasakyan. Ayan, okay. So again guys, thank you so much for watching. So we'll keep on watching.